Hello, Brian McCarthy here from Bold&Break. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to save money and time as a freelancer or even a studio. If you're not freelance yet and thinking of going freelance, this is still the video for you. We are going to be exploring an application called Bonsai and how amazing it is and how much time and money it has saved me as a freelancer. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so what is Bonsai? It's like an all-in-one platform for managing your time, your proposals, your finances, your scheduling, and it's not just that. You can interlink all those services amongst one another. I cannot overstate how great this tool is. So you've heard me in my previous videos go on about the importance of contracts, and if you go looking for a contractor, you have to write your own contract. You're like, how do I do this? Bonsai generates a contract for you, and it doesn't just generate any contract for you. It generates a contract specific to your field of work and also specific to your region, and you can customize the important bits in the contract. It's all easy to do, and you can download it as a PDF and print it off if you still do that sort of thing, or you can send a link to your client for a review and they can sign it through the link. It's incredible and it streamlines the whole process. Before you send a contract to the client, you have a plethora of template options to use that you can send your client or potential client in this case. And you can do a pricing structure, you can do outline what you want, what they want, and it really clarifies what is needed before the project starts. It really helps break down the nitty-gritty, because I've done a proposal before and the client said, hold on, I don't want those bits, or oh, we missed a spot in our call, and you can change it and you can do revisions. It's incredible. Now, to this, you can change your pricing structure, you can do fixed cost, day rate, whatever you want to do, and you can interlink your contract and the services you've offered your client in with your time sheets and schedules. It's incredible. You can see that you can show the client the time they're being billed for and when you've worked on what. It's very handy. And everything you do is saved on Bonsai for you. So all your contacts or your previous proposals, if you've done a proposal and it's 2 years or a year later, you're like, maybe I'll reach out to that client again that got in contact with me and they might have more work. You can do invoicing, you can set tasks that you tick off, you can also do your accounting, and you can create forms for your client. And this is amazing because they can give you feedback, or for potential clients, you can create a form and try and figure out what they want or what they're looking for. Another fantastic thing with Bonsai, and it's a very, very pleasant feature, is, if you're going through a super quiet period, I remember in lockdown, I didn't have much work. Bonsai offer you the option to pause your subscription for up to 3 months, which is amazing. And I don't think there's any limitations on the amount of times you can pause. Obviously, you can't just pause and get it for free. You can't use the application when you pause the billing period, but it allows you with that breathing room so you don't lose all your information that's on Bonsai. And then when you want to unpause, all the previous information you had with Bonsai is there, ready to go again. I haven't been paid by Bonsai to do this video. I just use it and it's an incredible tool. And to be honest, I don't even use half the features I mentioned in this video. I probably should be. I've used them through Google Docs or Word doc type software. And, I think maybe if I just kept everything in Bonsai, it might be a bit easier. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out Bonsai. There's a link below. It's an affiliate link. If you click it and you sign up, really will help the channel. Let me know what you think. Have you used it before? If you have, be great to know your thoughts. And if you do use it, please come back, comment, and let me know if it was any use to you. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.